Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings to all my little learners. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Today is 7th of April and the day is Wednesday. And I am your English teacher Bint Zahra. Today we will do topic of medial sound of A and E. Medial sound of A and E means when A and E come in the middle of the word. Now students, today we will learn the blending of the sound of letter A with other alphabets. Let's do it. Now students, look, this is the letter A and the sound of the letter A is A. A. Now add B. Sound of B in the beginning, B. It becomes ba. The sound of G is G. So it becomes bag. Again, A. Add M. The sound of M. It becomes me. G. A. Add the sound of G. Ga. G. Again, A. Add R and the sound of the R is R. Ra. Rag. Bag. Mag. Gag. Rag. Now try to read this line. The gag, mag and the rag are in the bag. Now students, we will learn the blending of the sound of letter E with other alphabets in the word. Let's do it. So this is letter E and the sound of letter E is A. It's a very short sound, A. Now add F and the sound of F is F. So it becomes F. Add D and the sound of D is D. So it becomes fed. Again A. Z. It becomes Z. Z. A. Add R and the sound of R is R. Add D. It becomes red. Fed, Z, red. Now try to read this line. Ned fed Ted. Ted's bowl is red. Thank you everyone. I advise you to listen the audio twice and do reading practice also. Thank you once again.